guys, it's me, Cassie. I'm going to be organizing my slime today, and you'll be seeing my dogs walk across the camera because this is the setup I have, and I don't have any editing software yet, so these are the kind of videos you're going to get for now. Anyway, I'm just in my room, and my baby just went to bed, my toddler baby, so I'm going to organize my slime. I'm probably going to do it by texture. That's probably the easiest way. But yeah, I've acquired, this thing is full to the brim, and I have more coming, and I'll be reviewing more, hopefully. So yeah, it's time to get organized so that it's a little easier. Okay, so first I have some slimes like extra in separate containers. So yeah. Alright, here we go. Let's see. First off, this is like a monster slime. I mixed Peachy Baby's lava lamp clear slime that was way too sticky, and then Slime Obsidian's Fairy Garden, which was way even stickier. So I mixed them together because I didn't really like either of them. I mean, they were pretty and all, but I mixed them together and added a lot of activator, and it's just kind of, it's still a little sticky, but not as bad. So I have it in this Tupperware container because I mixed them both together. So this is my Franken slime. What I might do is keep adding to it and see what I get. If you want to see that, if you want me to add like the little extras, if it's a little bit, because I don't really want to waste slime, but yeah, let me know if you want me to make a Franken slime. Alright, so I'm going to put that to the side because that's like a Franken slime. So let's start with the crunchy and then like the beaded ones. Alright, Dream Glow sugar coated. Dream Glow Fake Love. This is a Snow Fizz. I'm going to go ahead, because I don't really have too many floams. Cloud Sugar Crunch. It's not bead, but I'm going to put it there because I don't have a lot of those yet. Once I maybe have a lot of those, I'll make a subcategory. Let's see. I have a lot. I'm going to move this over a little bit so you can see all the slime to pull out. Alright, here's another, thank you Freya, blueberry sugar from Slime Obsidian, and then I have a little one of it, because it's tiny. Where's my little one? I know I have a little one, like a tiny little jar full of some, that, I think there's enough room now that I can, but those are ones that really puff up. Peachy Baby Liquid Firework, Slime Obsidian, what does this say? What is that? Arillo Glitter, I don't even know if I'm saying that right. And then, here's the little baby of that one. That maybe I can put in Franken slime if you guys want me. Blueberry Nightmare. I hated this one. No offense, Slime Obsidian. It was way too sticky, and it still is after activator. So I think if you guys want me to, I'll add this to the Franken slime. Let me know. Okay. Told you guys I've been getting a lot of slime. This is the Fizz. that's another thing I need to invest in is more little containers. Mint Lemonade Crush Dope Slimes. So everything is out. Here's little activators. I keep that in a separate. There's slime leak in here. Okay. Now it's empty. So that's all my, I thought I had more. Oh well. So this is all my beaded crunchy ones. Yeah, I play with most of these. The Slime Obsidian ones I just had trouble because they got so big. So okay, so now I got these. So these are all the ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the crunchy ones. I thought I had more, so that means I can get more. Alright. Goodness gracious, dog. This isn't Peachy Babies, but this, I'm going to do the clear slime first now. Astronaut milk. It's in a Peachy Baby container because it got, I've switched out tons of containers to make it all fit. Anyway, so this is dope milk, dope slime, astronaut milk, which I absolutely love and recommend. So we're doing clear slime. Now we're doing thick and glossy. Thick and glossy. So this is a thick and glossy. This is, let me find, I know I have a little one. This is Snoop Slime Space Milk. This one was more on the sticky side when I first got it, but with a little, you know, playing with it a little more. And I don't know if I put activator. I might put a little bit of activator, but I don't think I put too much. This is a clear slime. Love Gummy OG Slimes. Patrick Gummy Dope Slimes. Love this one. I think this is a clear slime. Clear slime. Soft. I feel like this is more like a butter than a thick and glossy. This is clear. That turned into more of a butter. This one's I don't know what that one is. Where's it at? Where's it at? OG slime, OG slime. Why can I not see it? Oh, there it is. OG slime, Year of the Tiger. Very good one. OG slime, this is a clear one. Snoop Slime Honey Milk. This one was a little sticky too. I was kind of worried at the beginning because I got these all at once. And I was like, are all these going to be sticky? But luckily, they were not. You just kind of got to play with them a little bit. And they get better. Is that all my... I think that's all my... I technically think this is a clear with gummies, like little poppies. Oh, this is a thick and glossy Snoop's Taro Milk Tea. I really do like her milk ones. I do recommend them. So, I mean, just be warned that you might have to play with them a little bit. Don't judge them right away. But yeah, all these though, because they had add-ons, I've had to put them in like little containers. So that's just one thing. I wish they made bigger ones. I feel like this is not Iron Clouds. Oh, I was about to say, I feel like this, I put the wrong lids on one because I was like, I swear this is not Snoop slime. Okay, I got it now. So I think this is all my, because her raw honey, Snoop's raw honeycomb, it started off, I think, with a clear, and then it turned into like, when you mix clay with it, I feel like that's more of like a butter now. So I'm not going to include that in this. Not the clear. I can't talk, so yeah. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 thick and glossies that, you know, stayed thick and glossy, that didn't like turn into like a butter or something. Alright, so that's those. Now let's do my clear ones. I'm going to count this as clear. Dope Slimes Bubble Bath. I like that one. Blue Sour Cube. It's a clear slime with those foamies. And it still kind of keeps the texture of a clear slime, so I'm going to count it as a clear slime. Nature Cereal. This is Snoop's. It's kind of like her milk ones, except it's clear. This one can, it just depends on the day. I swear, sometimes it's perfect, and then sometimes it's stickier than all get out. But yeah, I still recommend it, but not like if you're a beginner. Get used to slime a little bit, but I mean, it's a good slime. And then Love Stoned. I think I'm going to count this. It's a sugar scrub, but I'm going to go put it with my benzu beads, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 beaded ones. Blood Curse is Slime Obsidians. I'm going to count this. That's the Lychee Boba from Dope Slime. It's a clear slime that has the little, so I'm going to count that still. OG Slime, Lucky Red Envelope. Love this one. Girls, those are my dogs. Freya, the small one, is still a puppy, so she is learning when to leave her big sister alone, who's 5. They love to play, but sometimes she's like, play with me, and Sissy's like, no. Alright, Midnight Lights Clear Jelly Cube Slime from Peachy Babies. Smells delicious. I like one of the better smelling ones from Peachy. It's not her smell bad, it's just most of hers don't have the ones I've tried, strong smell. But this one had those big jelly cubes. So I'm going to count that one. And then Pink Watermelon Freeze by Dream Glow. It's a clear slime. And I think that is all my clear slimes. So I don't, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So I have 8 clear slimes. Let's see. Now let's do Snow Fizz. I have the Pikachu by Slime Obsidian. And then I have the Lemon Bar. It's not in the right container, but the Lemon Bar from Snoop Slimes, which I like that one. Then I have Will You Be My Player Number 2 by OG Slimes. I've been playing with this for a while, and I'm still not a fan of it. It's very tough. Very tough. So, I mean, I wouldn't recommend it. Well, one, it's his Valentine's Day, so it's probably not available anymore, but I will have to try another one of his, like, normal everyday Snow Fizzes, just to see if I like his Snow Fizzes. But I like the clear one, like his thick and glossy ones are amazing, not sticky at all. Alright, what was I doing? Snow Fizz. Berry Breeze, Dope Slimes. He doesn't make that one anymore. Slime Obsidian Rose Garden. I like this one. It's a lot better than that one. It's not as tough. It's a little sticky. It's weird. Not bad at all though. I mean, I would still recommend getting it. So I think that's all my Snow Fizzes. I don't have that many Snow Fizzes. And then this one is... Alright, so that's it for my Snow Fizzes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Snow Fizzes. And I thought I started like getting them because I thought, hey, I really like these. But then, I don't know. They just, trying the other ones, the texture is a little hard for me. Alright, now let's do some, I'm going to do icy slimes. And so I'm going to test the texture a little bit. This is an icy kind of drizzly. I'm going by that. So like icy drizzly. This is Winter Wonderland by Dope Slimes. I think the Witching Hour sheet technically labels this as a cloud. That's the hard part. Like a lot of these kind of intermix. Icy snow slime. I'm gonna do this. Honeymoon Clouds, Slime Obsidian. There's just a tiny bit in there. Flirted Velvet. Does she have this as? I think she does this as like cloud slimes. Yeah, these are more cloud slimes. This one though, I love this one. Snoop Blast Freeze Snoop slime. It's a take on like a Baja Blast. I love this one. So this is a icy one. It's hard to classify these because a lot of them, the textures, that's cloud. It's cloud slime. What about this one? I think this one is not an icy one. This is a cloud. Yeah. Alright. So I think that's it. Because this is an icy. Let me try it. Let's go. The butter. Freya and Sierra. Be good. Mommy's trying to film a video. Alright. So I only have like icy where it's like super drizzly and wet. 3 of them. So I need to get more icy ones. Cloud slimes. I'm gonna base it off of the Peachy Baby ones. Girls. Sierra. Go lay somewhere else. Alright, so Peachy Babies. Girls. Thank you. My gosh. I thought I put my toddler to bed, but I have 2 children still up. Alright. Euphoria Velvet Peachy Babies. The Witching Hour. I feel like this is more icy. Alright, the Witching Hour I'm going to do icy. Icy cloud. So I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I have 4 icy cloud snow ones. So this one's cloud. This one's butter. Butter. I think this one turned into a butter. This one's a butter. This one's a cloud, the OG Imaginations. It's more of a, it's a little thicker of a cloud, but I would still say it's not quite butter. I don't think. I'm gonna do cloud. As I get more cloud, I might change it and be like, no. But, and this one's a cloud. Could almost go in the freeze, but it's more cloud. It's Mangonada by OG Slimes. Not too much of a fan of this one. Not bad, but and then this is a cloud slime. So I have, what am I gonna do this? Is this a cloud? It's more like a butter. I'm gonna say this is a butter. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cloud slimes. And then these are my butter ones. Dream Glow. This one is Bubble Cloud Cake. Dream Glow Boyfriend Hoodie. Dream Glow Soft. Did I say this was a butter? This one's a cloud. Enemies to Lovers is a cloud. So I have 5 cloud. And then I'll go ahead and do this one as a butter. The Raw Honeycomb. And then these 3. These are more like dough. These aren't. I gotta try textures. This is more like a clay. It's kind of similar, but these are not as. I'm gonna say these are like clay butter. These are like butter clouds, and these are just, oh, wrong one. These are like cloud butters where they're a little more fluffier, and then these are like clay. Dope Slime calls them like memory dough, but they're like clay butters, so they're a little not as wet and a little thicker, like taffy, but not sticky. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 butter cloud-ish slimes. And then I do like this texture. Dope Slime does a really good job. I have Dope Slime's Lavender Dream, smells great. Dope Slime's Grape Taffy. Freya, can you move please? Freya, thank you. That was my dog. And then I think this is his Marshmallow Fluff. It was a free slime with my order from Dope Slime, but it smells like marshmallow and it's white, and I think it is. Alright, so let's count how many slimes I have. I have 3 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I have 45, 46, 47, 48. So far I have ordered 48 slimes, because this is 2 in here and then 1. 48. And then I think I have like 13. I ordered like 13. I like $200 worth from BB, Blushing BB Slimes. But, Freya. Anyway, so yeah, those are all my slimes. Let's see, 23. I gotta edit that down anyway. Alright, so let's play with one of each of these slimes. Okay, so this is a Grape Taffy. Oh yeah, that's nice. I really do like this one. Smells like grape. This is like that stress relieving kind of one. I really like it. Thank you, Freya. Are you gonna lay down? Okay. And then let's play with, I'm gonna pick just a couple. I love the Witching Hour. This one is wet and drizzly. This is Peachy Baby's Witching Hour. Look at that. Just wet and drizzly. I love it. I was trying to get some today, but I didn't get there in time. It was 4 minutes from when it restocked, and it was all gone except like a couple. And then I went back an hour later and it was all gone. So yeah, I'll have to be faster, because I really recommend her Cloud Icy Slimes. A lot of hers are called like Cow. I was wanting Tropical Cow, I think was hers that I was wanting. And then let's do thick and glossy that I like. Slime OG's Love Gummy. Smells good. Nice and thick. Pretty pink color. Beautiful. Great bubble pops. Let's try one more before this video gets too long. Let's do a Snow Fizz Slime Obsidian's Rose Garden. This one's more on the sticky side, so I gotta just gotta play with it more. I didn't add any activator to this yet. But I might have to one day soon. But yeah, smells like roses and flowers. Pretty green color. Nice snow fizzy texture. So yeah, those are my 48 slimes, and I got them nice and organized so that when I'm ready to play with them, I know which, I'm like, oh, I'm in the mood for a cloud slime, or oh, I'm in the mood for thick and glossy. But yeah, so I'll keep adding to my collection. But like and subscribe, comment any ideas you want me to do, any slime shops, any specific, if you heard that, that was my husband yawning, any specific slimes that you want me to try, textures. Yeah, just let me know. And go follow me on TikTok. I do highlights, slime ASMR, more, I did like a cooking one the other day, more random stuff over there. So yeah, thanks guys.